there! Today we're going to make a banoffee pie. I'm going to attempt to make this with my 3 children, Alfie, Josh and Alex, so that's going to be fun. Josh has an egg allergy, so as always it's egg free. And for more family favourite egg free recipes, don't forget to subscribe now. There's also a recipe card at the end of this video for you. So what you need for the filling is some butter, lots of it, lovely full fat butter, 175 grams or 6 ounces to be precise. You also need some caster sugar, again 6 ounces or 175 grams. You need a nice can of sweet condensed milk. I've just got to try a bit of this. I haven't done this since I was a child. Oh my gosh, that's so sweet. You need a couple of bananas. These are just on the edge of going a bit overripe, but they'll be absolutely fine. You need some double cream, which we're going to whip up. There's half a pint there, or 300 mils, and a bit of chocolate just to grate on the top. We're using some leftover Easter egg. Now for the biscuit shell, you need some more butter because we haven't got enough fat in there, so let's get some more butter. 125 grams or 4 ounces. And then you need a stack of biscuits if you've got any left. You can use different types. We're using digestive. There's 9 ounces there, or 275 grams. Some people use ginger biscuits, but my kids don't like those. You'd need a 9-inch quiche or flan tin, the ones that push out the bottom. That one's actually too big, it's 12 inches. So we're gonna have to use one of these instead. These are like the Spanish sort of terracotta bowls. So I'm gonna go and get the children now and
wish me luck.
We're gonna begin this wonderful experience. Okay boys, today we're gonna be making banoffee pie. How do you feel about that?
Great. Good.
Yeah? Have you made it before?
No. No.
Do you know what's in it?
Chocolate, butter, bananas, condensed milk, sugar, and biscuits. Biscuits and yogurt.
Not yogurt. What do you think that is?
Cream.
Right. Do you know what we're going to have to do first?
Eat it. Yeah, I want to eat the biscuit.
No, we're going to have to melt some butter and crush up the biscuits. So who's got strong muscles?
Me!
Right then, okay. Let's get crushing. Boys, you can get smashing the biscuits.
Not you, Josh. No, not with that.
No, you can both do it.
Oh.
Keep a hold of that bowl. Okay. Crunch them up. Show me your muscles. Okay, so while they're bashing the biscuits, melt the butter in a pan, the 125 grams of butter, and then get ready to mix it all together. Now, if you can pour the biscuits in, please, Josh, and Alfie, if you can stir. Turn that around. Right, do it a bit at a time rather than having an avalanche of biscuits.
Good idea, Alfie.
Okay, so we put the biscuits into the dish, and you need to get it so that there's like an edge to it. So you squash it down in the middle and then put it around the edge. Yeah, that's kind of it. And now we're going to put this in the fridge just to cool down. You can put it in the freezer if you want it to cool really quickly. We're melting the other 6 ounces of butter in the pan with the 6 ounces of caster sugar. Do you want to pop that in for me? Now don't touch the pan, it's really hot. Okay. Wow.
Can I have a look, Alex?
What does it look like?
It looks like eggs. A middle of an egg.
Oh, the yolk of an egg. No, it's definitely egg free. Absolutely, definitely egg free.
This is egg free, so no, it just looks like that.
Okay. What happens if you eat eggs, Josh?
I get really poorly.
Yes, so we're not doing
But I'm allowed
any
to
eggs.
eat Easter eggs.
Oh yes, we can eat Easter eggs.
And chocolate.
Okay, so we're going to keep mixing that until the sugar's all dissolved.
That looks about
Mummy, that's all melted, so we're going to add the condensed milk.
I wanted to do that bit, Mummy.
Would you want to mix it a bit? You can mix in a bit, Alex.
Alex, I'm mixing.
You can have a turn in a minute.
Alex, Alex, do you want to see what's inside?
Look what you're doing, please. It's hot pan. Ooh.
Yum.
Now this has got to turn all caramelly.
I am the best.
So Alex, you helping me make banoffee pie?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Mixing.
Mixing, yeah. Delicious.
Mix.
Is it going all thick? Oh, that's looking delicious. Oh yes, all bubbly. Very, very hot.
Mummy, see from the real, Mummy. See from it real. You're doing great, Alex.
Yeah, I think it's time now that we turn it off the heat.
Because it might get
And we've got to put it into the biscuit base. Okay, so we've heated the mixture for about 5 minutes until it's like a hot, bubbling caramel lava. And now we're going to pour it into the biscuit base. I'm going to do this, not the children, because they'll literally be dipping their fingers in the hot, scalding lava. Pop it all in there. Wow, yum. Look at that lovely low-calorie pudding there. Okay, so now we're going to whip up the cream. Nice.
It looks like cream.
It tastes like cream. That's because it is cream. Yummy.
I'm gonna see. I want some more. Ooh, that's good. Mommy.
Okay, Josh, we are now going to slice the bananas.
That's a banana.
Okay, here is your banana. Can you open it? And I will show you how to slice it. You open yours.
You need to be quite equal as you can. But don't worry if you're not too equal. Easy. Just slice it.
Do you know any songs about fruit and veg?
Fruit and vegetables give you a life. Always remember to eat your five.
Oh, I like that one. You can hold the banana with your other hand. Not too
Cut
close.
out that bit.
Yeah.
That bit's disgusting.
Is it disgusting? Why?
You can see that brown bit.
Okay.
That one's a bit big. Don't worry. It all tastes nice, doesn't it? That one's fine. Now you don't know which one. Yes.
So you're doing a great job there, Josh. Now, Alfie, I would like you to arrange the banana onto the now cold and set delicious banoffee pie. So,
Like that?
well, you can do it in any design you like.
Ooh, good idea.
What idea have you got?
It's going to be. You'll see.
What song do you know about
Oh, that's
bananas? Anyone?
Ooh, that's bananas in pajamas are running down the stairs. Bananas in pajamas are coming down in pairs. Bananas. If you want to hear that song, check out teddy bears. That old milkshake. Bananas grow in pairs. Bananas grow in pairs.
Lovely. Back to the banoffee pie. Alfie, you're doing a fantastic job. Let's go and get the whipped cream. Right, Josh, you need to put all the cream all over the bananas.
Not the right. Which I placed.
You did a good job.
Oh man.
Don't worry.
They'll be
Scoop
nice.
some more out of there. There's loads of cream in there. Get it all on. Get it all on first, and then you can design your cream. Oh, hold on. Can you see?
Can I?
Hold on. Can you see that bit there?
Yeah. Just
Break the chocolate on now. That looks really nice. Well
How'd
done.
you do that?
Oh, well, just like you're doing cheese, but chocolate. But you need to hold it over. That's it. Mmm. Are you eating it again?
It's so.
You're eating it. Are you eating it as well? You're eating it. Oh, that's quite rustic.
A candle! A big candle!
Josh.
No, it's going to have a shape.
I wouldn't put the grater in the pudding because that's going to leave a big hang.
Yeah! It's got
What shape is that?
triangle.
Yeah.
Triangle.
Why would you leave this inside?
Who wants to eat it?
We're ready to eat.
Oh, what have you made today, boys?
We've made Banoffee Pie.
Banana boffee? Banoffee pie.
Banoffee Pie. Banoffee Pie.
It looks delicious. Are you going to try it?
Yes. Dig in.
What do you think?
Good. Try that.
Good? Just good? Alex, what do you think?
Good.
I think
That you should subscribe and make sure to like for another video if you like the video. Bye.
Bye. Bye. Here's the recipe card. So jot down the ingredients or take a screenshot. And don't forget to subscribe now and hit that notification button for our next new video.